Oh,
Wait,
people.
wait. I think we got a Union Pacific coming. Well, if you're seeing this, there is. It could be BNSF, but I don't know. If you're seeing this, it is a Union. Indeed. If you're not, you're not. Okay. Anyway, we're speed walking to the train station. No, we're not gonna go completely to the train station, but we're gonna get like right here. I think. Something like that. Really not. Yeah, the lights are flashing. But it's weird. Usually they don't flash if.
I mean, I know we've heard it.
And the gates are going down, so we do have a Union coming. Yay. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, stay. You gotta be kidding me. There's a lot of cars. Okay. Got a Union Pacific coming. Is there another one down there? Oh, if you're gonna come, show your face, please. There you go. It's coming from that way. Usually trains don't come from Jonesboro. Rather, you don't see much trains from Jonesboro. Oh, it's a phase 2! Phase 2 and not rebuild. Oh my goodness, that's kind of rare. That's a kind of rare locomotive right there. Hey, and it's my favorite GE Pacific has been lower number board. That's cool. You don't see much phase 2 out there. Not much phase 2s out here. That was cool. Oh, Conrail one. Hey, look at this. This high cube has no graffiti on it. It's brand new. Newish. Might be about a year, but still doesn't have graffiti on it. That car has the Union Pacific logo on the top. No graffiti. That one has no graffiti too. They're rather old cars too. Maybe not those other two that I did, but one of those was definitely old. Wow, some cars are actually don't have graffiti on them for their age. That car's graffiti got washed away, it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's a cotton belt hopper. You'll see those every day. A cotton belt hopper. Nice. Distinction Transportation. I see those on Union Pacific a lot. I don't know why, but there's just a reefer car just tucked in between a couple of tankers and tankers. Why? This is definitely a manifest. There's all sorts of cars. There's grain, coil, tank, reefer, box, chemical cars, auto racks, flat cars. They got all you can think of out here besides intermodal cars. The lumber cars, whatever they're called, I forgot what they're called. I thought I called a Union Pacific. I I wasn't expecting one of these bad. Whoa, look at that car. That's kind of cool. I like how the little covers are shaped. We heard it. We weren't sure if that was a train, and then oh, it's Hezards. What? Looks like they had to add a Hezog's train onto the back of this one. This baddie has the Hezog's train on the back. That's cool. Oh no, wait, it's just a random set of Hezog's cars. I thought it was Hezog's train. Never mind. This one might have a DPU. It's a pretty decently sized one. It's been going on for 5 minutes now. Whatever these cars are called. I got Herzogs. Look at that! Oh look, the car's open. That's not good. The fluids might leak out if it's loaded. 920% sure if it's loaded, but very well could be loaded. That was cool. I never seen it up the tanker. Anyway. Old auto rack. Oh, I see a 100% speedy auto rack in the end. Pretty big one. It's 6 minutes long. Southern Pacific auto rack to end off to. Not really end it off. But ended off in a rare rolling stock. That's cool. That car's been around for a while. Alright. That's a cool Union Civic. Hopefully I didn't know fluids like that in that car. That'll be kind of not good if it does. Looking for the grass. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. I thought, I don't know, whole trying to. See ya.